I like these glasses a lot. Jeez. Yeah, put them in the bag.
You bad like that, you know. But I'm the one that ease your pain. I know.
What's up, everybody, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Dazja Jordan, for those of you that are new, and for my returning kinfolks, what's up? So you guys, as you can tell by the title, we have collaborated with Fytoo, online optical store, mainly selling prescription lenses like these ones at an affordable price. So if you guys want to see how I put this makeup look together right here, as well as what glasses I have gotten from Fytoo, but don't forget to hit that like button, also hit that subscribe button and that little bell on the side so that you can keep up with your girl. Yeah, and if you can stick around until the end, I actually have a code for you guys so that you can get some money off, if you know what I mean. Now let's go ahead and get into it. So you guys can see that I have started out with my eyebrows already, so I do that off camera, and if you guys want a more detailed tutorial on how I do these brows, I already have one posted. I will link that down below. Yeah, let's go ahead and jump into skin. Now, if this isn't your very first time here, you know that I love e.l.f. Power Grip Primer. I really love this primer because, for one, it is a lightweight, okay, long lasting, and it is smudge proof. In fact, it's really tacky, so it kind of like gives that grip, you know what I'm saying? Anything that grips is going to help your makeup stay on, and I love that. And on top of that, it's affordable. Okay, now as for foundation, I'm going to go ahead and keep it simple, and we're going to go in with the Fit Me Maybelline Matte and Poreless Foundation in the shade 340. When it comes to this foundation right here, y'all, it's affordable. I think everything I use is affordable at this point. But anyways, as you guys can tell by the title, we have a collaboration with Fytoo glasses. You guys, I have been loving glasses. I've been loving glasses a lot. And I didn't think that I was gonna need like a collection of glasses until I started working with them and seeing all of the options that they had on their website. And I'm like, okay, I see the obsession with glasses and I love it. And I kind of want to be a part of the club, you know? I want to be one of the girls that has an obsession with glasses, whether it's sunglasses, prescription glasses, any type of glasses. Like, I just want to be a frames girly. Different frames for any outfit. I love that. So really, shout out to Fytoo, and thank you so much for reaching out, because you guys have easily made me a part of the frames club with the frames that we will be showing off in this video. Okay, you guys, and as for concealer, we are going in with the NYX Cosmetics Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation or concealer in the shade Golden. So let's go ahead and get into like some of the facts about Fytoo glasses. Now, they are a online optical store, mainly selling like fashion frames and prescription glasses at an affordable price, okay? And who doesn't love frames that are like high quality but budget friendly? Okay, love that. And I know since I love it, I thought maybe you guys would too. The ordering process was very simple. And let's go ahead and let this dry down a little bit. Yeah, like I was saying, the ordering process is really easy. All you have to do is just go to the website, pick out your glasses, okay, and then literally go through checkout. Like, it, you know, process is very simple. The only hard thing about the website, right, is figuring out which glasses that you want, because they literally have so many choices on the glasses. There's so many different styles, colors, and just frames to choose from that you literally have like a lot of frames to choose from, a lot of stylish frames, a lot of colors, a lot of options, and you know, it's just really hard to figure out which ones that you really want. But once you figure that out, like I said, the checkout part is very easy. What I love is that they communicate with you. So If you are someone that has prescription added into your glasses, they let you know which step, like you are now in the step of processing, getting your glasses, you know, prescription put in them or whatever, you know, like they're just very, very good at communicating, and I really like that. I really like that a lot. So shout out to them for always like sending emails with the process. For one, like just letting me know that they are working on my order, and for two, like it's always nice to have an update and a little reminder that you got something coming. Like it's so nice. Just kept me looking forward, you know. So real quick, you guys, I like to go in with the OS pink powder in the shade Ultra Pink. Now it is important, if you're going to be out here wearing glasses, if you're going to be a glasses girly, okay, it's going to be important that you set your face, okay, set your concealer, and make sure you set around your nose, especially where your glasses are going to be sitting around your nose, because you don't want that little cast or that little, you know, mark from your glasses right here by your nose. So if you don't take nothing away from this video, take that you need to set your concealer so that your makeup doesn't transfer to your glasses. Some glasses marks on your face, like you don't need that. You want everything to always look like really good, okay? Of course, we want to hit everywhere else with the concealer, or not the concealer, but with the Ultra Pink powder, because we just want everything to be set in stone. I'm so excited to show you guys the glasses, the choices that I have. Like, I'm actually excited to unbox them because I really only remember them from what I ordered on the website. So this is pretty exciting. Okay guys, so I went ahead and did the contouring and my highlighter off camera, just because it was gonna be like a little process and I didn't want to keep y'all waiting, because I know we are also trying to get to the part where we are actually trying on the glasses. I am excited to show you guys exactly what frames I got, okay? But I do like to wear blush when I'm wearing glasses, just because it kind of just adds balance to the entire face and just gives like the glasses that extra oomph that they need while they are sitting on the face. So yeah, I'm super excited. And for the blush, we went in with the NYX Buttamelt Blush, and of course I will have all of the products listed in the description box down below. But we are not going to be wearing any lashes with the glasses, so we are just going to go in with mascara, and the mascara that I am using until it pretty much runs out is the Maybelline Great Lash Mascara. I like it because the wand is really small on it. It's easy to use, and it doesn't mess up your makeup. So I like this. I mean, if you don't want to wear a full lash, at least make sure the lash has got a little mascara, so it gives, you know, that little pop by the frame a little bit. And you know, that little ooh ah when you take the glasses off if you need to for a moment. But take your time when you're putting on mascara and let it dry before you put your glasses on, so you don't get the mascara mark on the frames. That's the best advice I got for you. Okay, period. And now for the lips, I'm just gonna go ahead and do my normal combination of brown liner and like a nude lip. We're gonna do that, okay? So the makeup is done, you guys. Now on to our favorite part, the part where you guys are all here because you guys want to see the glasses review, okay? Y'all, this is the box that it came in. This is I already opened it, okay? I already opened it because I was excited. But I didn't get into what the glasses look like, but several of them came in the box, okay? And we're gonna go through them. So this is the packaging, and it comes in a little sleeve, and it just has the logo on it, Fytoo. Now, if I haven't said it, the website is www.fytoo.com. you guys. And yeah, they sell affordable glasses, and when I say affordable, I mean really affordable. And I'm getting ready to go through each of these glasses. We're going to talk about the quality, we're going to talk about everything. So yeah, the first pair, well, I guess, you know, the packaging still isn't anything like super fancy, but that's okay, that's okay. But the first pair look like this, you guys. Oh snap. And I'm like kind of like looking at you guys a little bit from a distance, and I'm definitely seeing the prescription in here. Okay, I'm excited, I'm gonna be able to see. But you guys, these are the first pair. Now I like it, the quality is really nice. Okay, it's not gonna be heavy on the face, I can already tell just by holding it. You guys, these glasses were $52, but these were $52 with the prescription added in. And y'all, these are so cute. They fit me perfectly. It's like they got my sizing and my measurements just right. I love it, you guys. These frames right here really go with my face, and they go with the makeup, and they go with the outfit. Like, I really like it. These right here are called Frederic, and I got these because I wanted something that was going to look good on my face, something that could go as an everyday wear but also serve as a fashion piece. And I didn't want to go with plain black glasses, so I was like, let's try gray. And this gray is really nice, it's cute, I like it. Like, I can get into it, you guys. I say 10 out of 10. These glasses right here, 10 out of 10 for sure. Look at them, get into it. Okay, clearly I could not stay away from the gray. Okay, I love these frames as well. Okay, these are gray just like the other frames were. These are more square and oversized, and I definitely love that as well. And I like it. It still, you know, goes good with the makeup. Very clean, very sleek, very her, very where the money at, where the business at. You guys, these glasses right here are the style Smith, you guys. I love them. Look, real quick, y'all see how that blush is eating with the glasses? It just adds that extra, you know, like, come on, do your makeup, do your makeup for the glasses. Even if you wear glasses, do your makeup, it works, it's cute. But anyways, you guys, yeah, like I said, I really like these glasses. Sorry, you guys, let me know in the comments down below which pair of glasses you like so far. Do you like Frederic or do you like Smith? Okay, because in my opinion, they're both given. Okay, they're both given. And again, it seems like they got the prescription right. See, everything clear, everything is great, and I love that. I love that. Clarity is everything. Okay, let's get into the other pair of glasses. Oh my gosh, you guys, yes, I got some red glasses, okay, because I wanted to be able to just have some glasses that were like more than just a little pop of color. I wanted something that was gonna be like a big pop of color, okay? And these red ones right here did it for me online. I love a good red frame. And on top of that, you guys, it is getting ready to be the holiday season, everything. So make sure that you guys go to Fytoo.com and pick up more than a few pairs of frames, okay? Because like I said, they're affordable, they are cute, they are quality, okay? They are quality, and they are very stylish. Like, what? Seriously, cannot pass these up. And they got the prescription right in these too, okay? Let me go ahead and give y'all some close-ups of these, okay? You see, and when you do your makeup and you put the glasses on, everything just sits, you know? Don't even need no lashes. Got the mascara on, everything is good. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, Fytoo, you can have all my money. You can have all my money. So when you guys go to checkout, make sure y'all use my code Dazja15 for some money off, okay, you guys? Make sure y'all use that code so that you can get a little percentage off. And you guys, these glasses right here are called Constance, and I can see why, okay, y'all? This is given like, hey, I'm here, I'm in the building, what's up, what you got to say, who you came with. I like it. I like these glasses a lot. Jeez. Yeah, put them in the bag. Okay, you guys, now these are the last pair of glasses, and I'm so sad, but these ones right here are very similar to the frames Smith. well, they are exactly like the frames Smith, but these ones are in brown. Again, they are a little big for my face. I like the oversized look. I absolutely love these frames, just like I love the gray ones, okay, in the style Smith. Y'all, these ones are hitting. I like it. And if you have been looking at my Instagram lately, you will actually see that I just posted a photo in these glasses right here, a little brown look. So make sure you guys also follow me on Instagram. Like I said, they are very stylish, very chic, very, you know, it's giving. These glasses are giving that girl, and I love that. So if you are a girly that is just now getting into glasses and you are looking for some of the best frames and you want to add a little prescription in there so that you can be able to see, try out Fytoo glasses. And the website is fytoo.com, and you can also use my code Dazja15 for a little bit of money off. Okay, so yeah, you guys, make sure you guys go and do that. All right, well, I like them. I can see, and they're cute. Like, I'm trying to take a selfie right now, like as we speak, because these are cute. But anyways, you guys, comment down below and let me know which frames you guys like the most. On me personally, I like all 4 of them. I ain't gonna hold y'all with today's outfit. These gray ones right here are it, just with the outfit, like, because I'm already giving cozy, so this is just adding to my cozy look. So I like this, and these just, they fit so good. Like, the measurements were just perfect on these, so these ones are I like it. Y'all let me know in the comments down below what y'all think. Y'all let me know in the comments down below what y'all think. But you guys, I do have the link listed in my description box down below, as well as all the products, all the glasses, everything that was talked about in this video will also be in the description box down below. So yeah, you guys let me know what you guys think of these frames. Let me know which ones were your favorite in the comments down below out of the little batch that I actually got. So yeah, but you guys, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Also hit that little bell on the side. I want to thank you guys so much for watching and keeping up with your girl. Until next time, may peace and love be multiplied, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.
Bad like that, you know, but I'm the one that ease your pain. I know.